Taurus, my earth babies, grand awakening, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. Book a massage with me. Check out the ebooks, the music, the NFTs. I can't wait to meet you. Your word of the day is inner strength. I need you to dig deep. Are you ready to break right now? Are you ready to stop right now? Are you frustrated because you come so far and you're wondering, what do I do next? I've never backed down from a challenge. What do I do next? This is where manifestation, blessings, action, and breakthrough happen. When you're ready to stop, when you're ready to break, I want you to stand up straight today. And I say, listen, we bend, but we do not break. I want you to stay the course. You don't know where you're going, but you're on the right path. It's all about the journey, not the destination. Fall in love with the process, the people that you meet, and the hardships, because that what makes you stronger is the reflection of God and his goodness, and you're helping so many people unknowingly. Nothing moves me from my path of light because I have the complete confidence in myself. I realize my innate qualities and abilities and know that with God I can do anything. All the power I need is within me. Dig deep. That's where the gold is. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.